If you're planning to get your Apple Watch battery replaced by Apple, you'll notice how they require you to turn off the Find My feature on your watch before they can take it in. This essentially requires you to unpair the watch from your phone. On your phone, go to the Watch app, tap All Watches on the top of your screen, and on the watch you want to unpair, tap the little info button. Scroll all the way down and choose Unpair. Unpairing takes a while, and once it's finished, you're ready to take your watch to Apple for a battery replacement. If you don't have a phone, you can erase the watch by going to Settings, General, Reset, and Erase all content and settings. Replacing a battery on an Apple Watch is a pain, and from what I've heard, a lot of times Apple gives you a refurbished watch with a new battery instead. So unpairing your watch is just their way to make sure you actually own the watch and aren't just sending in a random watch that doesn't belong to you. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.